To change your Bitcoin wallet address on Coinbase, follow these steps. Log into your Coinbase account. Open the Coinbase app or visit the Coinbase website. Enter your email address and password to log in. Navigate to the Assets section. Once logged in, go to the Assets tab from the main dashboard. Find and select Bitcoin from the list of supported cryptocurrencies. Select Receive. On the Bitcoin wallet page, click the Receive button. This will display your current Bitcoin address and the QR code associated with it. Create a new wallet address. To change your Bitcoin wallet address, click the New Address option. Coinbase will automatically generate a new Bitcoin wallet address for you. You will see a new address with its QR code that you can use for receiving Bitcoin. Copy the new address. Copy the newly generated Bitcoin address or scan the QR code to use it when receiving Bitcoin from another party or transferring funds. Update your payment sources. If you had any saved addresses or linked addresses from other platforms or services, update them with the new address to ensure transactions are sent to the right wallet.